gonna call this. Answer me, goddammit. There's Mattis right here. Come.
Abonnenten du försöker nå kan inte ta ditt samtal just nu. Men du kan lämna ett meddelande efter signalen.
What the fuck? Call him on Skype instead then. He called me yesterday, so. What the He even called me. What the He even called me. What? Hello, señoritas. Let's see if he answers. What the frick? Answer me! Oh Jesus, that's a good spot. I got it when we had our gym class. Got this. We played football and then bam, I scratched myself. But I did score, so scoring comes with a prize on football. I'm not gonna scratch on it. That's very bad. Yeah. Why is Mattis not even answering? Like, this is absolutely insane. Okay, what the freak? I need to call someone else. Who should I call? I don't know. Yes, let's, where is he? Where's Leah? Where the fuck is he? Historic. Leah. Let's call this son of a bitch. While we wait, look at my background. And when I get a computer, my bed is right here. Oh, he didn't even answer. Could not reach contact. But when I'm gonna get my computer, it's gonna be right there. No, so it's gonna be very hyped. Okay, Mattis cannot take the answer. Let's call. Where is he? He's right down here. Let's call Jonte. See if he. I have no friends. Seriously, no one is answering me. By the way, what's that picture? No. Okay. Please. Oh my god, that fucking picture. Laligas, I'm in war with you. You have to stop. That fucking, what did you do? Did you draw it when you were like 5? Because if that's the case, did you draw it yesterday? Get it? Because he's 5 already. Roasted. Awesome. Biff Knork, Sparta. Yeah. No one is answering me. Why can't nobody see? No, I'm fucking pissed. I like that they brought the new calling sound. Oh my god. Alright. That's it. I'm freaking pissed. I have no friends. Right, I gotta get in my best friend. listen to me. Oh my God, Hampus, thank you so much for letting you. You fucking idiot. Thank you so much for letting me in. Oh, I gotta stretch a little bit. Oh, it's so cold out there. I'm so stressed. All the YouTube videos, all my girls. I've too many girls. Hampus, what do I do? What do I do? Oh, it's fine, Albert. You know, when I'm stressed, I just do some yoga. When I do yoga together, it's very relaxing. Alright, let's fucking try it, mate. Right. Albert, come here. Let's do some yoga. By the way, guys, it's okay. You can actually do this to your cat. It's not terrorizing him, okay? So, Albert, let's do some yoga. I fucking hate you. Okay, let's do it. Begin in the prayer pose, guys. And do some simple steps. You liking this, Albert? You like it? Then do the Lion King pose. Oh. Why is this on the way? Albert! Come back! Come back to me. Okay, let's do some more. It's cuddles time. The cuddle, let's do the itisana. Albert, let's do the titisana. Okay, let's continue. Albert, did you get some food? Don't worry, you'll get some candy after this because you're a good cat. You're a good cat, you deserve it. Let's continue on with the yoga, Albert. Lie comfortable. Comfortable. The Uttanasana. The Tadasana. This is the Tadasana. The Uttanasana. And let's do the Tadasana. The Tadasana. This is the Tadasana. And the Uttanasana Dana. And Dansasana. The Tadasana and the crab is also a very famous one. Albert, you did very well. You deserve something treat for it. Well, that was not so fun, actually. I did not enjoy that so much. Well, Albert, what did you know? That you were gonna get some we want some candy. Let's see if I can open it. Albert, it's my camera. Don't touch it. Here you go. Want the candy? Is it good? You love it. There we go. Eat it. Eat it. Here we go. By the way, guys, he got this for Christmas. This is his Christmas present. You haven't eaten out, Albert. Why is that? Sorry, I fell. I tripped. So, Albert, do you have anything to say for the viewers? Yoga was actually a pretty fun experience, I'm not gonna lie. Peace out. Right now, I just want to go out and do shit. But right now, I gotta go on Hampus' computer or whatever. Let's call Mattis again and see if he answers. Albert, you wanna talk to Mattis? Oh, fucking hell. Oh, wait. That is that is the most, I don't even know if you can focus. That is the most... Oh my freaking hell. I hate this. There. Why you not answer? That is probably the best spelling that I have ever seen. Albert, what are you doing? What are you doing? Fucking coming in my room? You're not going in my room. Albert! Hey, what are you doing? Where you going? Where you going, boy? You're just gonna sit there. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Nobody answers me. Why does nobody love me? Oh my god. Thank you so much for watching. Albert! Thanks for watching. And I hope you guys enjoy. Subscribe to my Hampus called Cat Security. Please.